In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the appearance settings on Cloudflare's dashboard. Whether you've just started using Cloudflare or you're looking to personalize your experience, adjusting the appearance can make a big difference in how you interact with the platform. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to the Cloudflare dashboard. If you're already logged in, you're right on track. If not, take a moment to enter your credentials and access your account. Once you're in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll notice a small profile icon there. This is your gateway to personalizing your Cloudflare interface. Clicking on the profile icon will present you with a drop-down menu. This menu is where you can manage various account settings, but today, we're focused on appearance. Within this drop-down, you'll want to select the option labeled Profile. This will take you to a new page filled with settings related to your account and, importantly, how you view your dashboard. Now, let's locate the appearance section. As you scroll through the profile page, keep an eye out for the heading titled Appearance. To the right of this heading, you'll see another drop-down menu icon. Clicking on this icon expands a few more options. Here is where you can tailor the visual theme of your dashboard to better fit your preferences. You'll be presented with three choices: dark, light, or system settings. The dark mode offers a sleek interface that's gentle on the eyes, especially in low-light environments. The light setting, on the other hand, provides a crisp, bright look that works well if you're in a well-lit area or simply prefer a lighter background. The System Settings option allows the dashboard to match your device's current theme, seamlessly integrating the appearance for a more consistent user experience. Once you've made your selection, the changes should occur almost immediately. This straightforward adjustment can enhance your workflow by minimizing strain on your eyes and aligning with your personal or professional aesthetic preferences. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you've successfully customized your Cloudflare dashboard appearance. Remember, these changes aren't permanent. You can revisit the appearance settings at any time to adjust according to changing preferences or needs. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have further questions or need more tips on optimizing your Cloudflare experience, don't hesitate to explore our other videos or reach out. Happy customizing!